Hey, what up, KX crew, and welcome to episode 5 of Let's Build a Home Gym. So when you walk in, I talked about how I wanted a desk here for organizing and sorting stuff, and I did get one. It's obviously not like the nicest, it's just kind of temporary, does the job for now, so I'm able to store some of my equipment, random gym stuff that doesn't quite have a place yet, but might eventually. Going for a bit of a eventually professional look here, but for now, I mean, I'm obviously doing all my training at the gym that I work at, not doing a lot of, not doing a lot of private training, but I could see myself down the road doing some private training, and I'd like to kind of have a professional front entrance at some point. So this is kind of the startings of that. Fun fact, these are literally my teeth. All right, next up on the tour, we got this, I don't know what you call it, a gym cart. It's got lots of stuff on here, so I'm just storing a lot of miscellaneous stuff. This is where I keep lifting straps and wraps. I've got some handles and stuff, attachments for when I eventually get that cable thing set up. Now I have some places to store my weights, which is really nice, so they're not just kind of stacked everywhere. Just kind of nice to keep everything in one spot. It's on wheels, so I can move it around if I want to. If you were to see this in a gym setting, it would be more like these little hooks here would be more for like a bar like this. Would sit across it, and you'd have multiple easy bars or straight bars or whatever on each side. But right now, this is the purpose that it is serving. Not a whole lot has changed in the dumbbell department, but I do have something fun to show you guys once I'm done the tour. So as you know from the power rack video that I did, this is it. It was more over in the corner, and I had a hard time loading plates on this side, so I had to move it over. As you can see, the barbell, I was just doing some T-bar rows here in the corner. Obviously, I don't have a great system for that yet. I'm gonna need a landmine at some point, but sticking the barbell in the corner does the job just fine. So I really want more mirrors. Oh my goodness, it scared the crap out of me. You're okay. Oh. So as I was saying, I want more mirrors down here. Everyone knows that a good gym has lots of mirrors, but that's kind of in the works for me. It's not in the budget right now to just start blowing money on mirrors, so I'm just gonna start accumulating them. Like that one I got for free, these two I got for free, like, and I haven't like put them up yet because I kind of want to wait till I have more mirrors to work with, and then I want to like figure out like a proper layout for them. I don't want to just start screwing things into walls yet. So I mean, this looks kind of, I guess maybe a little bit weird for gym mirrors, but you put them next to each other and line them up, you know, a mirror is a mirror. If you can see yourself curling it, it does the job. So yeah, hoping to get more mirrors, and I'll show you guys. Hi. This I'm also really excited about. It's a pull-up / chin-up setup here. So initially, I actually had this side. You can see where the holes are right there. I had it over a little bit, and then we had an electrician come in and put some outlets in because there were no outlets down here. Look where that wire ran. Look where that freaking, literally right where that handle is, ran right across. So I had to move this over today, so now I can actually use it again. Yeah, it's awesome, it's solid, I'm really liking it. It's very high up, and I'm very happy that I have a high ceiling, but I need a chair just to get up there. The cardio corner is about the same as it was last time you saw it, except that I ripped the handle off from the front here. There used to be kind of like a handle system and a panel, but like it didn't work. And this is stuck at one gear anyway. It's enough to kind of maintain a good pace on, so I don't mind. But I just ripped that whole unit out and put like a cell phone holder in here. The keg's down here because I've been doing some keg training over the power rack. I don't know if you guys saw on the Instagram at Klassen Exercise. I uploaded a little video of myself doing some keg over bar right here. And the last thing I'll show you guys is that I installed a clothing hanger system here so that I can hang up you know, some gym tanks, just for mostly, I guess, display memories, maybe that I don't really wear that much anymore, or just, you know, frees up the closet a little bit, place to put my jerseys and whatnot. This is my old football jacket from high school. Good times. And now to open some of the new toys that I got. Package number 1. These are Fat Grips. Oh yeah, I've wanted these for a long time. Well, I think Fat Grips is actually technically the brand, but what it is that it makes every single grip challenging, right? It takes a normal dumbbell size and it makes it larger, so it challenges your grip a little bit more. So like here's a normal dumbbell handle, wraps around it, and you see now it's much thicker, right? So now my hand barely wraps around it, right? So it's really going to challenge your grip no matter what you're doing. If you're doing an overhead press or a curl or whatever you need dumbbells for, this will make it hard. Make any barbell an axle bar, just like that. Now these two, I'm only going to open one because they're the same thing. What we have is a dumbbell handle that is designed for loading up Olympic plates. So I guess it comes with its own fastening system here, which I may or may not use, but I think clips would probably also work. That would be annoying if you bought the handle and then you didn't have anything to hold the plates on, right? So I'm glad that they included them. So I got a 5er here. You know what? I'll probably use a clip. This is my own clip that I have. And I think that that does the job just fine. Because my problem was that all of my dumbbells are, like, they're mismatching and random. I can't really use them, but I have all this weight, right? And it's like, what a shame that I can't do anything with dumbbells and I have all this weight. So this is the solution to that problem. Very excited to have them, and now it just adds to the arsenal of exercises that I can do from home. And it's been my goal for a long time to limit my dependence on needing to go to the gym to train. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching and for saying hi to Ronan here. He really appreciates it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe if you haven't, and if you want to support me as a creator and help me put food in this guy's belly, please consider hitting the join button and becoming an official member of the KX crew. Klassen out.